Opening shots of potato fields, different potato varieties, and people harvesting. Voiceover introducing the potato's significance in global agriculture and diets. Animated or live-action visuals depicting the potato's origins in the Andes Mountains of South America. Exploration of how indigenous communities cultivated and used potatoes in their culture. Historical reenactments or illustrations showing the introduction of potatoes to Europe by Spanish conquistadors. European skepticism and eventual adoption of the potato as a staple food. The Irish potato famine, dramatic narration or interviews discussing the impact of the Irish potato famine, emphasizing the importance of crop diversity. Showcasing various potato dishes from around the world, with cooking demonstrations and interviews with chefs. Agriculture section, exploring the potato's role in modern farming practices and its resilience in different climates. Interviews with experts discussing challenges facing potato farming, such as disease, climate change, and sustainability. Showcasing innovative methods or technologies used to address these challenges. Examination of the potato's impact on global food security and its potential in addressing hunger and poverty. Interviews with farmers, scientists, and activists working with potatoes in developing countries. Summarize the potato's significance and versatility. Encourage viewers to appreciate the potato's role in history, culture, and food security. Acknowledgements, sources, and a playful or informative montage of potatoes. Creating a documentary involves scripting, filming, and editing. Incorporate interviews with experts, stunning visuals of potato farms, historical reenactments or animations, and engaging storytelling to create a compelling and informative video on the potato's journey from a simple tuber to a global icon.